Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix payment not completed issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're trying to download and install apps from your app store but you're facing this problem and you're unable to download and install apps, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then go to screen time from here and then go to content and privacy restrictions, and from here if the toggle is on you have to simply turn it off. So guys, you can see this, if the toggle is on you have to simply turn it off, and after this go back and then go to Face ID and passcode, enter the passcode for one time, and then you have to simply turn off the toggle for iTunes and App Store. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply turn it off and then go back, and now you have to simply go to your profile and from here go to payment method and shipping, and from here you have to simply make sure that all the details of your payment method are correct. So guys, recheck the payment method details from here and go to billing address and check your billing address as well from here, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then go to your profile and then scroll it below all the way and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this sign in your Apple ID again after restarting your device. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.